What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Please kindly subscribe, comment, like and share. And if it's your first time also coming across this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. So guys, today I'm super excited and thank you for your good comments for my last video that I did about cooking bhajias. That's why even you have encouraged me so much. That's why today I'm actually back in the kitchen. So some of your questions were, June, how do you prepare your pilau? How do you cook pancakes? All that. And I said, why not go back to the kitchen and show these people how I cook my pilau? And even some of you are asking me that, June, how will I manage to taste your food? How will I manage? I wish that one of these fine days I taste your food. Guys, please don't worry. Be patient. Let's subscribe. Let's comment. Let's share. Once this YouTube channel has really grown very well, I'll be inviting each and every person that has actually subscribed to my channel to my kitchen here. We cook together, to pick a story, we share all that. So guys, please don't worry. And today we are in another amazing episode of me in the kitchen. So guys, today I want to prepare pilau. For those people that were asking me how to cook pilau, so here we are. So for my pilau, I usually have some ingredients that I actually always need to have. So these are what I usually need to have so that I can actually prepare my pilau. Here are the ingredients that we need for our pilau. I have here, these are my potatoes. I have here my pilau masala. As you can see, here is a mixture of tangawizi and garlic. Here is the cinnamon. I have the cardamom. I have turmeric. Kama kawaida, my food always have turmeric. Then here we have the gloves. I have here the mnaitanga sijui nimesahau hiyo jina. I don't know, they usually called what the small things for mchele ya kuweka kwa mchele. I don't really know the name, but I know them. Here they are. Then I have here the black pepper. As you can see, it's there. Then I have here my tomato. My tomato is here, and my onion. And I have here my meat. As you can see, the meat is there. Then I have here, this is the tomato paste for giving my pilau color. As you can see, so this is all what I need for my pilau. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure that we cook together. The first thing that for me when I'm cooking pilau, the first thing that I start with is to put my meat in the sufuria. This meat is already boiled, so I put it in the sufuria. Here it is. Then I put some oil. I put some oil in the meat. Then I put my garlic and my ginger. This meat, as you can see, then I'll have to put, this is garlic and ginger. It's the mixture. So that's what I do. Now, that meat imeanza, I don't know how to say kukauka in English. Aki, please, I'm sorry. Imekauka. Now I'll have to put my onion in. That's my onion in there. Then I share. You can see. And then I leave now the onions to cook. Now when your kitunguu has started to turn brown, as you can see there, you can as well, if you want tomato, if you like tomatoes, you can add. Like for me, I like tomato. It also gives color, so I'll have to add my tomatoes in there in my pilau preparation. So that's my tomato. I've added it there. You can see. Then now, as the tomato is cooking, I'll start now to put my ingredients: the cardamom, the cinnamon, the black pepper, the cloves, all that inside here. So stay tuned. Make sure that while I'm cooking, you are learning something. As I said, now I have to put the black pepper. It's here. This is the black pepper. You don't have to put that too much of the black pepper. You just have to put kidogo, not too much. You can see. This is the black pepper. Have put some little bit. I have here the cinnamon. Just like 2 of them. Here it is. Not too much. Don't need a lot. I think like this one, this is enough. And then I have here the cardamom. You can see that's enough. The gloves. Here's the gloves. This is the gloves. Now I have to add my rice here. Well, as you can see, my rice is in there. That's my rice. I've added on the mixture for the pilau. And I share kidogo. You can see that. Yeah. Then I have, because I put 2 cups of rice, so I'll have to put 4 cups of water. Then there is something that actually I need to also put in that rice. So that's how now it looks. And guys, there's something that I actually forgot. Hey! Salt, guys! Salt! If your food misses salt, then I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. Haitakuwa tamu, it won't be sweet. So make sure that you put salt in your food. Hey. And please, guys, make sure that as your rice is cooking, before like the water is, please kindly don't cover your rice. Ukikover, it will come out ugali, but if you don't cover, it will come out nicely. So make sure that you don't cover your rice when it still has water. Don't cover it. Guys, that was the result of the rice. Here it is of my pilau. As you can see, today I'm actually enjoying the pilau that I cooked for myself and for my people here. So Ebu, just see how it looks. It looks beautiful. Ebu, see. Wow, it looks nice. So guys, make sure that kindly please subscribe, comment, like and share, and tell me what you think about my pilau, what you would love maybe next I should be doing on this YouTube channel, because I said in this YouTube channel, it's our YouTube channel, not my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video. Love you guys. You're the best. Love you, beautiful people.